Hey guys, Anthony here, and today is the big day. We are at WAXSTOCK 2022. It has been far too long since we've been here, and it feels good to be back. This show is absolutely crazy. It's jam-packed, full of people, but it's the booths, it's the products, it's the cars, it's kind of everything. And even though this is just a one-day event, they do it in the best way possible. So it seems like everybody's having a ton of fun. A lot of new products kind of being showcased, a lot of new brands being showcased as well. We're going to be checking out some cars today, we're going to be checking out some booths, we're going to be kind of walking around talking to people as we go along. Levi is currently on stage right now actually giving a presentation, which is pretty cool. So anyways, enjoy the show. We're going to try to capture everything we can, and yeah, we'll catch up with you here in a little bit. Now, before we get any further, you're probably wondering what WAXSTOCK actually is. Now, every year there has been an event where detailers gather from all around the United Kingdom and even around the world in some cases to one place for one day where they get to do a show and shine as well as exhibit detailing products. So you're probably wondering what makes WAXSTOCK different from maybe a show like SEMA. Now, WAXSTOCK is a very concentrated dose of pure detailing love. Now, what I mean by this is that SEMA is kind of everything, whereas WAXSTOCK really is more concentrated for the automotive detailing space. And so even though it's a car show, there's a ton of obviously detailing vendors there selling their products. Now, what makes it different is that in SEMA, you just exhibit products. You're just showing people stuff. But at WAXSTOCK, you can actually buy products there. And most of the vendors are typically running sales for the event, which makes it extra special. So this year coming back was one of the first times we've been able to come back to the UK, but also of course come back to WAXSTOCK, where we get to stay at the awesome arena, get to see all the amazing cars that we wouldn't normally see maybe over across the pond. And we also get to see a lot of cool brands that we may have not seen before. So it really is just an all-in-one event that these guys put on, and it's such an amazing time. You have to experience it for yourself, and we are definitely hoping that in the future it becomes a two-day event. All right, so hopefully it gives you a little bit more insight of what WAXSTOCK is. It really is an awesome event. If you can check it out sometime in your lifetime, I highly recommend it, especially if you love detailing products. Now, Anthony, can you take it away from here? All right, guys, so that's going to wrap it up for WAXSTOCK 2022. It has been a very fun-filled day, and my voice is absolutely shot at this point. We got to meet a ton of awesome brands, a ton of awesome fans that were able to come out and meet the entire TRC gang. Now, we're definitely looking forward to WAXSTOCK 2023, where it's supposedly going to be bigger, supposedly going to be better, and supposedly maybe even longer, but we're just gonna have to see. So again, thank you to everybody. Thank you to everybody that came out to support us and all of the other brands out here, because without you guys, it really wouldn't be possible, right? We want to keep WAXSTOCK going for many years to come. So hopefully you guys enjoy the content. And as always, if you guys dig this kind of stuff, stay tuned for more videos right here at the Rag Company.